Hey everyone, a little windy today, hope you can hear me. We are in Edmond, Oklahoma, and today we're putting up a privacy pole around this fence. Gonna come on this side all the way around to the other side. On the other side of our pergola here that we previously put up, there is a hot tub and we'll have a wall over there as well. So total, we're doing about 83 linear feet. We're gonna be 6 feet tall. And all right, so first things first, we gotta lay out this fence. I'm gonna use a chalk line to do that. So that way we know we have a good solid line and we know exactly where the fence is gonna go. And it's, we won't be off because I got wobbly fingers. All right, so now that I got my chalk lines in place, I've got an intersecting line because we're gonna do a fence here and a fence along this way. So my lines intersect here, so I know that my plate can fit perfectly in this little corner, so I know that I'm square. And then I'm gonna mark it up, and then we're gonna drill it. And what we're using are some Tapcon anchors. They're 3/8, and we're gonna go in 3 inches. And that's gonna give us the strength that we need from the wind, because these are gonna be giant sails. So each post gets 4 concrete anchors, 3 inches in each. Here we go. It's the tornado alarms on a clear blue sky day. Tornado alarms. Welcome to Oklahoma. So we got these Hoft fence systems. They're pretty cool. This is a corner bracket because it has a channel on this side and a channel on this side, and the other 2 sides are flat. So this is going to be my corner piece. And since we're going to have a fence line this way and this way, the channels go that way. So all I'm going to do is line these suckers up with the holes we just drilled, and then get them in there, and then on to the next post down the line. It's hot out here. We're eating lunch, taking a break. Got one side done already. Ish, got the poles in. Now we're taking a break, right next to the trailer. You having fun?
I actually am.
You said actually am.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Because this is what we do for a living, so that's great that you enjoy this. All right, we got all the poles in, posts up. Might accidentally fall in this pool when we're done. But yeah, this is how she's looking right now. Time to start cutting some boards and putting the fence in. What are you doing here?
So I'm screwing in the first little spacer for the fence pieces.
What's it look like?
Just a spacer with a little screw in it.
So you just tighten that in and the wood sits on top of that?
That's right.
Keeps it off the ground so it doesn't collect too much moisture?
That's right.
All right, everybody. 7 hours later, we got some privacy fence up. Job done. Pergola we did a couple months back. Now we're back out putting the privacy fence in, and it looks good. I'll give you a better view. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a follow. We'll see you on the next build.